Everyone knows that we can remove display warning message by transplanting genuine screen IC to the new screen, but this way was only supported by original quality new screen before. After replacing a new screen of iPhone 11-12 series, is there a solution can remove the pop-up message and restore true tone at the same time? Today we will share a new solution with you, which is more cost-effective, because the new screen we use is an aftermarket screen. This is the main tools we need for repairs and will be demonstrated in detail later. We can see in genuine screen, true tone and about page are normal. Tear down the screen, replace with a new screen. Original screen is disassembled. What we use later is the new aftermarket screen, EK Pro Incell. Attention! We need install the light sensor flex firstly, and then test the phone. Replace this new screen. Like other screens, its true tone is lost. Unknown part, notification appears on both about page and settings page. How to solve both problems? Do not worry. EK Pro Incell screen can support IC transplantation and true tone restore. JC Vice programmer and screen repair board played a great role at the moment. Turn on Vice. Install genuine screen repair board. Connect genuine screen and read true tone data. Replace aftermarket screen true tone repair board. Connect EK Pro Incell screen, write true tone data in. Did true tone repair succeed? Let's install and test it. After testing, true tone has been successfully restored. Isn't it easy? First problem solved. Next, we transplant genuine screen IC to the new screen. Grind off screen IC of new screen. Adjust the height of the grinding points. Put the screen into the chassis, start the grinding machine, and slightly adjust the height scale. With this machine, the efficiency is improved and screen is protected effectively. Here it is, grinding completed. To transplant genuine screen IC, we usually use Sugon hot air guns and soldering stations in our repair work. Clear edge glue with scraper. Remove genuine screen IC. Fix genuine screen IC with fixture and clear residual glue. Reballing genuine chip. Unfolding the new screen flex. Insulate screen before installing the chip, reballing for chip bonding pad again to ensure that each solder joint is normal. Apply some solder paste and install genuine chip to the new screen. Installer speaker and light sensor flex on screen. Then install screen and power on to test. Power on well, touch function is also normal. Enter shortcut page, True Tone work well. Enter, setting, page, unknown part, warning message has disappeared. EK Pro Incell screen, can support display pop-up message removal, and restore True Tone perfectly. In addition, the display effect touch function and installation feeling are infinitely close to the genuine screen. But as price is only 30–40% of genuine screen, therefore it is extremely popular with phone repair stores and phone parts wholesalers around